How to add watermark and use pointer in SOOM. From the bottom of the main window, click Present Settings. Notice that the watermark radio button is set to default. You can place the watermark on your preferred location on the screen using any of these 4 position options. You can select None to get rid of the watermark altogether, or you can click Customize. Select an image from your PC and click Open to use the picture as the watermark. This could be useful for branding and during brand promotions. Like before, you can use the position options to place the watermark at your desired location on the screen. To use the pointer, let's go to a slide for better visibility. Now, click this pointer button to select the pointer. You can use your mouse to draw annotations on the canvas. If you want the annotations to remain visible on the screen, click this More option on the pointer button. Here, check this Keep Traces box. You can also choose a different color for the pointer from this list. Let's choose red for example. Now when you draw annotations, they will remain visible on the screen. To deselect the pointer, click this pointer button one more time. Notice that the annotations are gone as the pointer is deselected. Once everything is in place, click this Record button to start the recording and save the video in MP4 format. Thank you for watching.